Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glider in the forest. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need about 3 to 4 straight, lightweight branches, each roughly 3 feet in length, to form the main frame. Next, search for large, sturdy leaves or thin, flexible pieces of bark that will serve as your wing surfaces. Finally, collect strong, pliable vines or natural plant fibers to securely bind all the parts together. Make sure everything is dry and in good condition for the best results. Now, let's construct the basic frame for your glider. Begin by selecting your longest and straightest branch to serve as the central spine. Then, take 2 slightly shorter branches and attach them perpendicularly to the spine, forming the main wing spars. These should be positioned about 1/3 of the way down from the front. Use your strong vines to tightly lash these branches together at each intersection, ensuring a secure and stable connection. A well-balanced frame is crucial for a successful flight. With the frame complete, it's time to add the wings and tail. Carefully lay your large leaves or pieces of bark over the wing spars, creating the lifting surfaces. Ensure they are spread evenly and cover the entire span. Use your remaining vines to securely bind the edges of these materials to the spars, making sure there are no loose flaps. Next, create a small tail section from a flat piece of bark or a few sturdy leaves. Attach this tail firmly to the very rear of your central spine to provide essential directional stability during flight. Finally, let's prepare for your glider's first flight. Hold your glider gently at its approximate center of gravity to check its balance. If it tips forward or backward, adjust the wing placement slightly or add a small stone as a counterweight until it feels stable. Find an open area in the forest, perhaps a small clearing with a gentle breeze. With a smooth, forward motion, launch your handmade glider and observe its flight path. Enjoy watching your creation soar through the air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.